Welcome to Busy Gardening with Mrs. Busybody. Hey everybody, my name is Lovey. I'm a new gardener here in Zone 8B, South Carolina, starting my journey to growing our own homegrown fruits, nuts, and vegetables. I hope that you join me on my journey as I start to build my garden from the very start and that you enjoy what you see. You can leave me a like or drop me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my journey. Well, we have a whole bunch of scarlet nantes and Denver half longs germinating. I see like two in there, so I will have to thin those two out. But yeah, I'm seeing some more seeds germinating over here in the carrots. And everybody else is looking all right. Hey, tree. And look at these pansies. They are just still blooming and looking beautiful. Not the only ones left. I see one down here. That's just blooming, having new blooms. So we like that. Nothing new and exciting happening over here. Everybody's growing bigger, getting some nice big broccoli leaves. These cabbages are starting to really form really nicely. And I plucked a leaf off of somebody. Can't remember which one it was that had a tiny little slug on the back of the leaf. Oh, yeah, I know which one it was. It was hanging over the side, and it was my radish. I noticed the difference. The ones with these big old tops ain't got no bulb going on. The one with the little tops got a whole lot of bulbs going on underneath. These cabbages are starting to come into a life of their own. And I don't know what's going on with that mustard spinach green. I'm gonna prune it down and see if it brings me back some more. And yeah, got some pests out here, mainly the slugs. I did have one lettuce that was in the greenhouse that I saw aphids. So I pulled that sucker right on out. Yeah, aphids on my lettuce. It's kind of steamy in here. I had this open up here, but I guess it doesn't slam closed. And everybody's doing all right. The mustard spinach greens are getting bigger. I gotta feed them. Give everybody some bone meal. That's the next fertilizer on the list for this week. Bone meal. My onion's looking good. See that one echinacea there didn't survive, but that one up there is still looking good. Still looking good. My celeries. Hey, celeries. Finally gave them an under tray. And they're looking nice. Yep. So, I don't know what's going on with them peas, but it is what it is with them. And parsley girl, she's still hanging in there. Yeah, the Paris Island lettuce is really taking off now that it has some relief from all of those mustard green turnip tops that were taking over the pot. And my blueberries are finally starting to turn color on their leaves. And Elder, how you doing, Elder? You looking all right? It's just some diatomaceous earth I had to sprinkle in all on the floor and here and all around everywhere. Get some of that DE. Let me check on my dills. Hey, dills. Okay. I'm gonna say he's still down there doing all right. Everybody's doing all right. Everybody's doing all right, all right. Yeah. Everybody's doing all right. Everybody's doing all right, all right. Yeah, mints. Get it nice and bushy. And I like that spinach. It's nice. All right. Well, that's just an update real quick. I noticed a whole bunch of my carrots, my third crop of carrots, starting to sprout. More than just the two that I saw. And my cabbages are really starting to take off. Just another cabbage here taking off. And we're going to give everybody some fertilizer. So maybe tomorrow. Maybe later today. And onions are still surviving. Yes, they are. Got a new fertilizer coming for you guys. Help you go get that booming, that boom boom brown, that boom boom pow. Yep. As long as I keep seeing a new sprout, I know they're still surviving. I don't have not one casualty. Every last onion has survived this transplant. Even the ones I had to put back down in the soil. Well, preparing for spring, I have cleaned off and removed my outdoor table and kind of organized the boneyard area. Bringing my table inside for my indoor growing station. So yeah, this is where my greenhouse will be come spring. And it's time to move everybody that's in there on out. Yeah, I'll be putting my greenhouse in this corner here. And that's about it for the garden updates at the moment. All my reworked soil right there. I still have a few pots of soil to rework, like that other big orange pot. All of the soil in the... Let me check on something, because I looked down in one of these stackers and saw sprouts. I have no idea what it is, but I'm gonna leave that pot be because it has some sprouts down in there. I don't know, maybe some lettuce probably. I have no idea. And yep, that other maroon pot and this beige pot and this other orange pot over here. These are all left to be reworked. The soil. Still only one carrot sprout in this whole pot here. Just one sprout. I don't know, guys. Just one sprout of carrots in that pot. Move some things over here on the side of the greenhouse, and we're not peeking in there right now. We did that earlier. So that's it. Getting this corner area prepared for the greenhouse in spring, because this is a partially shaded area thanks to this tree and this pine tree. Scoping out the garden today, planning out where my medicine circle, my medicinal herb circle will be. And I think I see the area where it's kind of a little high hump hill right here. Well, it's morning. It's 7:15 in the morning. The sun still is not up. Everybody stayed out last night and got some rain water. Plus the temperatures were in the nice 60s all night. So yeah, everybody got their good issue of rainwater, right? And 2 more carrots. going to see how these egg cartons work. It's already disintegrating. Also, I don't know, news update, Domino is not a boy. Domino is a girl. Now, I don't know why I listened to my stepdaughter when we first got the puppies. We were all assuming that Domino was a boy and Isabella was a girl. But Lord, we have 2 girls. And I know I did not pay attention to the way she was relieving herself. The way she would squat all the way down to the ground and dip it low and take her little pee. And so we finally did an inspection. And yes, Domino is a girl. And her name is staying Domino. That's one of my little favorite kick-ass women movies I've watched before is Domino, and she was a kick-ass lady, and so her name is staying Domino. Yep, we got 2 girl puppies on the yard, guys. So that's the update with the puppies. And I'm sorry y'all couldn't get none of that good rainwater, but I got some for y'all. Speaking of, yeah, we're gonna share some of that rainwater with the greenhouse. And where is my rain bucket? Oh, my watering can. Over here, let's see if it got accumulated some rainwater in it. Maybe we don't have to go all the way to the buckets. Nope, I don't know why this bucket never wants to accumulate rainwater when it's right outside in the rain. So, I'm gonna dump that rain off the lid. And take these on over to where I have been collecting some rainwater. My first collection of rainwater. And we have some. So we're going to use it. Surely am. And there we have it. All of my buckets have collected a lot of rain. I have already dumped this bucket over into here. And now I'm going to take some of this rainwater and go water my greenhouse because they were unfortunate to get all that good Mother Nature yesterday. So they'll get some now. Yep. And I'm going to take my little stools out of here. Since I renovated, I had to find another place for a few things that were over there underneath the table because I'm bringing that table on inside. So now everybody in here is about to get a simulated rain shower. Make sure everybody gets a good issue. Yep. Yep, get a good issue of that rain water. Even you, berries, elder. I haven't given y'all nothing so much as a drink or nothing. Strawberries, because y'all don't want to go to sleep. Well, now, everybody get some of that good rainwater. Even my seedlings get a drop up here. Even my celeries. And I'm going to water the pan and let them drink from underneath. Yep. And give my onions a douse. I really wish I had my garden fence up, then I wouldn't have to stay out here while these puppies are out. Yes, everybody, 2 girls. Lord help us, not paying no attention that Domino was not a boy. Listening to the owner that we got the dogs from. When we first got there to pick up and choose the puppy that we wanted, my daughter Jasmine grabbed Domino because he looked the healthiest, or she looked the healthiest. She grabbed Domino, and the girl that we was picking him up from called her a he. So that's where the misconception started from. So maybe a few days ago, Jasmine was just looking at the text messages of the pictures of the puppies so she could see how much they've grown since we first got them. And as she's reading the text message clearly said the first 3 are girls, and Domino was in that set of first 3 puppies. So, yeah. Dominique, what do y'all think? Do we change it to Dominique or leave it Domino? Drop me a comment. She already responds to Domino. And again, like I said, Domino is one of my favorite kick-ass females, action movie females. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments. Should we leave her name Domino? Or should we change her to Dominique? They like this game, the chase game. Yeah, they just playing. They not serious. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Monday morning after a whole weekend of rain. Stop, Domino. Stop it. Y'all go play. Mommy's little girl. Yes, a girl. Oh, Lord, I should have checked when we first got them. I don't know why I didn't check and just listen to other people. That's a girl. Hey, everybody. I have left their frost covers off for the past maybe 3 days because it's been nice temperature, up in the 60s, low 70s. And yeah, we had some days of rain as well. Don't you go over there. Go on out. Keep on walking. Leave those flowers alone. Look at her. See? She the one that did it. Get your butt out of there. Go. And that's why they fussle and tussle all the time. Yeah, I had to check underneath there. That's a girl. And I'm not changing her name. It's Domino, and she knows it. And like I said, Domino reminds me of that kick-ass movie. And my neighbor over there on his phone. Okay, so we just doing our normal check. See how everybody liked that good Mother Nature the past couple of days. And they got their issue. Chi likes her. Yeah, them center leaves are getting big, ain't they? All the time. It's really growing. Hey, cabbage. And plenty of carrots now are sprouting up in the egg carton cells. I see 2 here, so I will have to thin one of these out. And let's see who's the strongest. I don't like thinning out, but you look the strongest, so this one has to go. Yep. Let's come on out. Oh no, see, Now both of them moving. I'll let it get a little bit more strong before I thin it out. Anyway. Okay. Hey, broccolis. Y'all looking all right. And my kales are finally starting to look much bigger. And out of the 3 lettuce, only one is surviving. And yes, my onions are looking happy, getting some of that good Mother Nature. And today is bone meal day for everybody. I forgot to bring the bag outside. Let's check on leaf bag number 3. Okay. Garlic and onions is loving Mother Nature. Mother Nature's best. And I don't know what's going on with my Buttercrisp lettuce. It's just acting like it don't really want to be huge. Well, I got one that looks like it's trying to come to size. But these ones out here that have more space to kind of do their thing, I find myself picking off the bottom leaves because they are not looking great. Okay, so yeah, the broccolis and the dills and the cabbage, that's nice. Starting to really come into its own in the center there. And this cabbage here. Let's check on the cabbages that are finally starting to get some light. Well, see, there y'all go again. Covering up the cabbage. There y'all go again. Covering up the cabbage. I think I'm going to take this bottom leaf. It's been on the soil. That one doesn't look too bad, but this one looks a little worn, so we're going to take that leaf and let's check on this one around here. Yep. It's looking much bigger, much better. And seeing no damage on these. Yep, that one's a little yellowing, so you got to go. And this one has a hole, so you got to go. Everybody doing all right? Yeah, come on, collards. Push me some new leaves out. All of my collards that I have pruned all the way down are starting to throw out new leaves. And the ones that are left that I didn't harvest are looking fairly healthier now. Okay, Mother Nature. I see your work, girl. And let's check in on these babies. In here, I'm going to bring some baking soda to drop in the bottom of their pans as to tame any molding, which I am seeing in some of just those down there. Got a little bit of mold. And it is time to harvest lettuce. It's time to harvest lettuce. And all of my seedlings are looking all right. Let's see. Celeries are doing great. They finally have their under tray for moisture. So yeah, they're doing all right. And they're gonna stay in there till they get much, much bigger. And look at Parsley. Hey, Parsley girl. What you got going on? New sprouts, so you ain't done with us yet. Okay. We gonna let you stay. If you wanna stay. And the cilantro's looking nice. Everybody's doing all right. Yeah, everybody's doing all right. Let's check on the container bed over here. And still one strong carrot over there. I thought for sure I would see more carrot seeds germinate, but just the one so far. And these are looking great. Okay. And yes, my spinaches are really getting bigger. I see a few little holes This kale is still hanging in there, so it's definitely still alive. The top of my spring summer kale is still alive. And that spinach is starting to look nice. And this buttercrisp lettuce is really starting to form. And this is some mesclun salad that came free with some of my seeds that I ordered. So I potted it up, and we're gonna take that because that's slimy. But it's starting to look really nice. Mesclun lettuce, mesclun. And look how low this baby has gotten. So yeah, as soon as all of this leaves in my yard dry out, I will be back out raking. Let's go check on the rain buckets. See how I can see them already overflowing. Yep. So, plenty of rainwater. Okay. Not big ones. Plenty of rainwater. This one is on a tilt, but I think I'm gonna put one in a wheelbarrow, so I'll be able to roll it on over towards the garden. So yeah, let's get that. That was on my mind to do. Like, how am I gonna save myself time? Yep. And that's how that will work. Just like that. But we got plenty of rainwater, yay. Okay. I ain't mad at it at all. So yeah, look at that beautiful sun coming up over there. And everybody's doing all right. Reveling in God's awesomeness. Relishing God's awesomeness. Ain't it awesome? Yes, indeed, it's awesome. And we want this cabbage to get its justified light, so I'm about to prune this leaf here because my cabbage needs to get light in here. Yep, so she can grow. And just another leaf for the compost bin. And everybody has had their issue of bone meal today. Sprinkling some along down. Even parsley got some bone meal down around everybody's roots. So that good moisture from the rain can help this start to react. And so that one big mustard spinach green starting to have a little rot going on around the base. So I just pulled it on out. I don't like to see nothing rotting and attracting the bad pests to my garden. So it was right here and now it's gone. And plus it was being a little headache for my cabbage right there. So yeah. Yep. Everybody has gotten an issue of blood meal. I keep saying blood meal, but I mean bone meal. Everybody has gotten an issue of bone meal today. All of my onions, tree, the cabbage, the carrots, the broccoli, kale, and the lettuce. Yep. Bone meal. Bone meal. I'll just wrap you back on up, help you stand back up. And that's about it. Bone meal day today. for everybody. I don't know, them organic garlics that I bought one organic garlic bulb from Walmart. And these are sprouting out some big leaves. I don't know. So we're going to see what these garlics look like come next year, God willing. Because, yeah, them tops that's coming up out of that soil are huge. All right. Well, family, until the next time, I will plant you now and dig you later. Bye.